Hello students, welcome to Aditya Science Lab. Today we are going to conduct experiment from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. The activity 1.10 shows you the double displacement reaction. To show you this double displacement reaction here, I have taken barium chloride and I have taken here sodium sulfate. Now I am going to add this barium chloride to one of the test tube. Look at the color, it is white. Okay, so I'm adding this to this test tube here. This is barium chloride, right? Now let me take this sodium sulfate and add it to the second test tube here. Now this also white. Let me add this sodium sulfate to the second test tube. All right. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to make the aqueous solution of this sodium sulfate and barium chloride. So this is barium chloride aqueous solution. All right. And this is the sodium sulfate aqueous solution. All right. Okay, fine here. So let me stir it well here. So this is, of course, this is, okay, I cannot put it, just I will shake it here well so that it mixes up well here. All right. So this is the barium chloride. All right. This is barium chloride and this is the sodium sulfate here. All right. Now what I do is that I'm going to slowly add this sodium sulfate into this barium chloride. Let's see here what happens. You can observe here. Slowly I'm adding it here. See what happens. That's it. Drop by drop it's going. You can see that a white precipitate is formed. Can you see, children, here? A layer of white precipitate is formed, which is lighter. So this white precipitate is nothing but the barium sulfate. And below, this is sodium chloride. So what happened here is that the double displacement reaction means initially I added sodium sulfate and barium chloride. Now the double displacement took place. Now what happened here? The barium sulfate here and this is the sodium chloride here. So this white precipitate formation is also called as the precipitation reaction. That means this is one of the example for the precipitation reaction as well. So you can understand this. I think you got it, children. So this is double displacement reaction. And what happens in double displacement reaction? Exchange of ions takes place between sodium sulfate and barium chloride to form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So remember, this is also one of the example for the precipitation reaction. So this white precipitate is barium sulfate. That's it. In this activity 1.10, when sodium sulfate and barium chloride aqueous solutions are mixed, you get here barium sulfate and sodium chloride, a double displacement reaction.